543 seats, one gigantic verdict. 2024 suspense ends today. For 78 days, India immersed itself in the world's largest democratic exercise, electing its national government. For 78 days, citizens young and old, healthy and frail, showed up at the polling booths to exercise their franchise. Some walked to the polling booths nearby, some stood in the queues as the mercury rose. Others trekked up the hills in the Himalayas. Some even braved sporadic violence in states like West Bengal. But now, India is ready for the end of 2024 suspense. These results will determine who will form India's next government. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party is seeking a third straight term in office, while Congress Party-led India Alliance is hoping to upstage them. BJP, which is confident of a landslide victory, is hoping to make gains in the wealthy southern states where traditionally it had less sway. If exit polls of popular television channels stand, BJP will have MP from each state of India this time. For the last decade, the most important man in Indian politics has been Narendra Damodar Das Modi. His supporters see him as a self-made, strong leader who has improvised India's standing in the world and credits his pro-business policies with making the economy the world's fifth largest. However, the Congress-led opposition alliance has put the spotlight on the deeply divided India under Narendra Modi. BJP's critics and opponents say the party's Hindu-first politics has bred intolerance, hate speeches and brazen attacks against the country's minority, especially Muslims who comprise of 14% of the population. This election result is a verdict on the battle between the two narratives. So brace yourself to welcome the new government of the world's largest democracy.
आप जानते हो, जब भी कोई हिंदुस्तान के सामने खड़ा होता है, इंडिया के सामने खड़ा होता है, तो जीत किसकी होती है? कहने की जरूरत भी नहीं है।
और अब की बार पूरा देश कह रहा है, अब की बार खड़गे जी भी कह रहे हैं।
From breaking news, detailed analysis, in-depth interviews and explainers, follow the Times of India. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like our videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest.